who embarked on a private visit to France on Wednesday, marking his third private visit to a foreign country since he was elected president. Shortly after winning the presidential election last year, Tinubu departed for Paris. Well, according to his media aide at the time, the trip was to enable the president rest and prepare for lesser Hajj in Saudi Arabia. Months later in June, after attending the Global Financial Pact Summit in France, the presidency announced that Tinubu headed to London on a short private visit. Well, in a statement by presidential spokesperson Ajuri Ngalali on Wednesday, Tinubu will return to the country in the first week of February. A lot to discuss here as well, but meanwhile...
Thank you so much. You see, Tinubu is in France for medical tourism. He had always been going for medical tourism. You know, Tinubu built Lagos, but there's no hospital in Lagos. There's no hospital for 9 years running of APC administration, no hospital. Asoro Clinic, nothing. With billions of naira wasted, nothing. But Tinubu is in France for medical tourism under the guise of a private visit. May God save Nigeria. Leaders who will not tell the people the truth. They will hide under one thing or the other. Let's tell Mr. President to make efforts to put in place a functioning healthcare system so that Nigerian hospital will take care of him. That's the way to go. Share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you.